In today's rapidly evolving medical landscape, efficiency and innovation are crucial. We are proud to introduce a smart healthcare program designed to revolutionize how medical professionals manage patients' data and resources. Combining advanced technology with a smart inventory system, this program streamlines operations, improve accuracy, and support better patient care. It is a forward-thinking solution built to meet the growing demands of modern healthcare. This is Project Serpent.
To know more about Project Serpent is an innovative healthcare management software designed to help doctors efficiently handle patient records, prescriptions, billings, bill plans, and appointments, all within a secure centralized system. With its user-friendly interface and real-time features, it streamlines and administers tasks, minimizes errors, and enhances workflow. By improving organization and adaptability, Project Serpent empowers healthcare professionals to focus more on patient care and deliver high-quality service.
Moving on to our objectives, the main objectives of this project is to assess the efficacy of Project Serpent as an integrated healthcare management system in improving clinical efficiency, administrative procedures, and patient-centered care by implementing advanced structure of the system along with medical data integration. Following is our specific objectives. First is to examine the system's core health data functions. Second is to assess its impact on administrative operations. Third is to evaluate usability and system adaptability. And lastly is to determine its effects on patients' care delivery. The future of healthcare management is bright with the implementation of systems like our Project Serpent, which empower both healthcare professionals and patients through integrated and responsive healthcare technology.
Moving on to our methodology. So this slide explains the methodology of medical patient management system developed in a Python. It highlights how the program uses simple built-in Python features to manage multiple doctors' access to patient data through secure logins. The system runs continuously, allowing updates and access to patient records stored in nested dictionaries. User interaction is handled through basic Python commands, making the tool ideal for small-scale or academic healthcare simulations. Next is the features of Project Serpent. For the first feature, we have the multi-doctor login system that allows multiple doctors to securely access and manage patient data using their unique credentials. Second is a centralized patient record system that organizes all patients' information in one place for easy access and management. Third is the prescription handling and meal planning, enabling doctors to prescribe medication and suggest meal plans tailored to patient needs. Fourth is the billing and administrative info, which helps manage payment records and other essential administrative details. Next is Doctor Dashboard and Data Access that provides each doctor with a personalized interface to efficiently access and manage patient data. Six is the real-time monitoring and updates that enables live updates of records and system activity, improving responsiveness and accuracy. Seventh is transparency and accountability that ensures traceable actions and clear data handling, promoting trust and professional responsibility. And lastly, we have technology and design simplicity that focuses on user-friendly, streamlined interface that enhances workflow and reduces complexity.
To further discuss the flow of this project, let's start with the flowchart. So you must enter the password and the username. After you enter that, you will proceed to the two choices. If yes, then it is proceeded to add a new patient or view existing patient depending on the doctor. If no, it will display the invalid. After that, we'll proceed to the next step. There are another choice. View and edit, add new medications, diet plans, appointment, and billing. If you successfully log in to that part of the code, then view edit, add new. You can view and edit, add new medications, diet plan, and appointment, and billing. After that update, it will be terminate, and that will be an end. To further discuss that and to show you the actual flow of it, let's proceed to the code.
So here is the code for the Project Serpent. So first, when you run the code, a basic clinic login system will be on your screen with the enter username. In our code, there is 3 doctors, Glai, Gia, and Marian, with each corresponding username and password. So let's try for Glai, and then its password. And then after that, login successful welcome doctor will be presented on your screen with 2 options, which is view existing patients and to record new patient. With view existing patient, you will be required to enter the patient ID for that specific doctor. For example, this for Glai's patient, which is JD001 and JS000. So let's try JD001. With that, name, condition, treatment history, admission details, emergency contacts, and additional note for that patient will be presented. And there is 5 options, which is view or update medications, view or update diet plans, view appointments, manage billings, or return to previous menu. With view or update medications, lalabas din yung current medications niya in this patient, which is metformin and insulin with 500 milligrams, and kung kailan siya tinitake, which is once daily or every morning. And then, sa baba doon may nakalagay na would you like to add, remove, or skip, you can add or remove the medications for that patient. Kasi for example, that patient is tapos na pala mag-take ng metformin, then pwede mo na siyang i-remove. And then, so we'll skip. Then next is view or update diet plan, which is number 2. And then, pag yun yung pinili mo, lalabas here yung tabulated weekly diet plan of that patient from Sunday to Saturday. Same lang with the medications, you can edit or add breakfast, lunch, snack, or dinner to that patient. Skip. Next is view appointments. So makikita here kung what date and time yung appointment ng patient na yun, and then ano yung nangyari sa appointment na yun, which is here, April 1, 2005, 9 a.m., blood sugar follow-up, and then yun na. Next is manage billing. So kita lang here yung last payment niya, which is kung yung date and then yung amount na due, and then return to previous menu. And then and then we'll proceed to record new patient. Sa record new patient, kailangan mag-enter ng new patient ID for the new patient na apply. So let's try JD0. And then patient name. And then appointments, kung kailan yung magiging schedule na appointment ng patient na yon. And then yung magiging payment niya. And then yung amount due, for example, 200 pesos. So yun, new patient, license visa added successfully. So yun lang yung code. And I am Liza Midlizan.
I am Marin Lois Ignacio.
I'm Diana Haley M. Color.
And I am Venice Magpantay, and this is Project Serpent.